Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I'm saying good morning like it's morning when y'all see it, but it could be. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas. I am the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. And y'all already know, because I did an unboxing last week, that I am headed to set up a Christmas party. Now, granted, Christmas is gone. However, like I told y'all last week, the events and the bookings have been rolling in so fast that I just been wide open. So I hope you had a chance to regroup and recoup and just enjoy your family. So Happy New Year to y'all as well. We're going down here to set up this event, and I am setting up for at least space. I'm saying space for 60 people. This is the same client that booked me for the Thanksgiving Day event. So she's booking the same kind of style for her Jobs Christmas party, and she doesn't want like all of the plate settings and all of the draping and stuff, but y'all know I'm gonna add my little touches here and there. So it's not really anything to give details about, with the exception of it's about 20 minutes from my house. It's not at a building that I've ever used before, so that's going to be interesting because y'all know how I am about locations that I've never set up at. And it's a beautiful place from what I've seen online, but we're just going to go ahead and get into it. So if you're not a subscriber, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload videos. And for 2026, we got some great and some good stuff in store. So y'all stick with me, and we're going to run on and see what the end's going to be. I hope y'all enjoy. Just a quick look at the space. Remember, I alluded to the brick, the exposed brick, and there's so much character in exposed brick. And then you got the arch windows, the light fixtures that give you like a warm, low light. Then you got the exposed wood, and then you got hardwood floors. And this is on the 3rd floor, I didn't know. And then this is the rest of the room. So change of plans on how many guests I'm setting up for. It's gonna be more like 40 people that I'm doing it for. So I'm gonna put y'all there and we're gonna get it rolling.